Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you thumb camera. This is weatherproof, 150 degrees wide angle lens and Wi-Fi connection. Oh, check this out. I've been trying to buy one of these. Now I have it. Let me go ahead and open the box and see. Here's the user manual. Here is the camera. Wow. It's like the size of thumb, as you can see. This is awesome. We have two buttons over here and the screen. And here is the area for charging SD card. We have some other things. Let's see. All the attachments. Here is the magnet and the lanyard. I'm gonna put it around my neck. There we go. These are some of the attachments. You can just attach it wherever you like. And you're just gonna put the camera inside, like that, and attach it. How about this? You can just attach it to anywhere you want. And you can see the screen at the same time. And how about this? You see? And this is for the tripod or self stick. You can put it like that. And here is another thing. If you want to use the magnet, you can either put it like that or you can put it like that. You're just going to put it around your neck like this and then put the camera like that. You see, it's ready. And you can put it like this too. If you don't want to use this, you're just going to put this on right over here. You see, it is ready. And you can attach it wherever you like. For example, right here. Wow, I really like this. You can adjust it however you like. Or you can use this as a body cam. You see? Let me go ahead and remove this area. Now camera is clean. Press and hold and it's going to be on. We can go ahead and try to add the camera. We're going to connect the camera's Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and add the camera. Press over here and turn on. We need to go ahead and activate the Wi-Fi on this camera. Press and hold. When you press and hold, it's going to tell you the Wi-Fi name and the password. Now you can see here is the Wi-Fi. And I will go ahead and put the password here on the screen. Connect. It's getting the IP address. And we can go back. Now the camera is being added. Wow, check this out. Stabilization is awesome, as you can see. And let's go ahead and start recording. Hello. And stop it. And we can go ahead and check the camera file right here. Look at the quality. Here we have the settings, sound recording, speaker volume, video resolution, 1080p 30 fps, 60 fps, 2.5K 30 fps and 60 fps, and 4K 30 fps. Loop recording duration, light source frequency, 24-hour image rotation, photo resolution, 1 megapixels to 12 megapixels. Let's choose 12 megapixels. Automatic screen off time, etc. This is normal recording. Here is the snapshot. You can take a picture. Let's see. Now took a picture and time-lapse record. Oh, that's awesome. You can see the capacity. It's about 60 gigabyte and the battery is 100%. Let's go outside and test it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right over here with the help of magnets and check it out on the phone. We can go ahead and start recording. Now it's recording. Hello. Let's check the quality. When you press and hold over here, it's going to turn on and you can see the menu. Let's see, playback, video recording, photo shoot, time lapse, and menu. I'm going to go ahead and use video record and start. And let's go ahead and press right there to start recording. I will go ahead and put it like that. It started recording and I'm going to go ahead and place it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around. We're gonna check the quality of the video. Here is the area. I can also place it right there. Now we're good to go. Let me go ahead and check the recording. Menu. We can check the recordings. We're just gonna press there to play. It's gonna go to the next one. I'm just gonna play. Right like that. You see? If you press and hold, it's gonna go backward. You're going to previous menu. Like that. How about photo shoot? And either you can use vertical or landscape mode. Let's go ahead and take a picture. And like that. And we can do the time lapse. Let's check the settings. These are some of the settings. You can either change the settings on the application or on the screen here. Right now it is recording vertically. Now I start it. Oh, check the sunsets. If you want to change it, you need to press here. Now it's horizontal, landscape mode. Let me go ahead and record some. Now I'm done with the time lapse. Let's go ahead and stop it. That's it. Hello. Hello. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around. We're gonna check the quality of the video. Now I start it.